Welcome to Practical Learning. This is the summary of the play A Tale of a Tub by Ben Jonson. But please like the video and subscribe the channel. This play starts in a small village near London where lived a man named Peter Tubb. He was a simple man, but he loved to talk and act as if he were very important. He wanted people to respect him and admire him. Even though he was not rich or powerful, he tried hard to look like someone special. This made him both funny and a little foolish to others. Peter lived with his family in a modest home. His life was not very exciting, but he often created drama around himself. He liked to speak loudly and give his opinions on everything. People in the village listened to him, but many did not take him seriously. Still, Peter believed that he was wiser than most people around him. In the same village, there was a young woman named Audrey. She was kind, simple, and honest in her nature. Many people liked her because she was gentle and respectful. Audrey did not care about money or status. She only wanted a peaceful and happy life with someone who truly cared for her. A young man named Paul Martin loved Audrey deeply. He was honest and hardworking, and he wished to marry her. However, he was not rich, and this made his situation difficult. In those days, money and social position mattered a lot. Even true love was often ignored if a man was poor. Audrey's mother wanted her daughter to marry someone rich and powerful. She believed that wealth would bring happiness and security. Because of this, she did not support Paul Martin. Instead, she looked for other men who could offer a better future. This created a problem for the young couple. At the same time, a foolish and proud man named Squire Tubb also wanted to marry Audrey. He believed that his name and position made him the best choice. He was not kind or loving, but he was confident and loud. He thought Audrey would accept him easily. His pride made him blind to her true feelings.
Another man named Justice Preamble also became involved in the situation. He was an important man in the village, known for his authority. He often tried to control people's lives and decisions. Justice Preamble believed he had the right to decide what was best for everyone. His presence made the situation more complicated. Paul Martin felt worried and sad because so many people stood against his love. He knew that Audrey cared for him, but the pressure from others was strong. Still, he did not give up. He believed that honesty and true love would help him in the end. His determination showed his strong character. Meanwhile, Peter Tubb became involved in the situation in his own strange way. He tried to give advice and act like an important judge of the matter. However, his words were often confusing and unnecessary. People listened to him, but they did not always understand what he meant. His actions added humor to the story. As time passed, the tension in the village grew stronger. Audrey felt confused and pressured by her mother and the other men. She wanted to follow her heart, but she was afraid of making the wrong choice. Her gentle nature made it hard for her to speak strongly against others. She needed courage to stand for her love. Squire Tubb continued to act proudly and tried to impress Audrey. He spoke loudly about his importance and future plans. However, his words did not touch Audrey's heart. She saw that he cared more about himself than about her. This made her feel uncomfortable and unhappy. Justice Preamble tried to control the situation by using his authority. He spoke with confidence and acted as if he knew what was best. He believed that Audrey should marry a man of higher status. His decisions were based on power, not on love or understanding. This made the situation even unfair. Paul Martin decided to take a brave step. He spoke honestly about his love for Audrey. He showed that he was willing to work hard and build a good life with her. His words were simple but full of truth. Slowly, people began to see his sincerity. At the same time, Peter Tubb continued to act in a funny and dramatic way. He tried to involve himself in every conversation. Sometimes he made the situation more confusing with his strange ideas. However, his presence also made people laugh. He became a source of light humor in a tense situation.
Audrey finally found the courage to speak for herself. She told everyone that she loved Paul Martin and wanted to marry him. Her voice was calm but firm. This surprised many people, especially her mother. It was the first time she clearly expressed her own choice. Her mother was not happy at first. She still believed that money was more important than love. But as she listened to Audrey and saw her determination, she began to think differently. She realized that forcing her daughter would only bring unhappiness. Slowly, her heart began to change. Squire Tubb felt angry and disappointed when he was rejected. His pride was hurt, and he could not accept the truth easily. However, others began to see his true nature. They realized that he was not the right person for Audrey. His loud and selfish behavior pushed people away. Justice Preamble also lost control over the situation. His authority could not change Audrey's decision. He had to accept that some things cannot be decided by power. This was an important lesson for him. He began to understand the limits of his influence. In the end, the truth became clear to everyone. Paul Martin's honesty and love won over all the obstacles. Audrey's courage helped her choose her own happiness. Their love proved stronger than pride, wealth, and authority. The village slowly accepted their decision. Peter Tubb watched everything with great interest. Even though he had acted foolishly, he learned something from the events. He saw that real importance does not come from loud words or pride. It comes from honesty, kindness, and truth. This made him think deeply about his own behavior.
The village returned to peace after the conflict was resolved. People began to respect Paul Martin and Audrey. Their story became an example of true love and courage. Even those who once opposed them accepted their union. Happiness slowly returned to their lives. In the end, Paul Martin and Audrey were married and lived a simple but happy life. They did not have great wealth, but they had love and trust. Their story showed that true happiness comes from the heart. It reminded everyone that honesty and courage are more valuable than money. And so, the story ends with a gentle lesson. People may try to control others or chase power and wealth, but in the end, truth and love always find their way. Those who stay honest and kind will find real happiness. This is the simple but powerful message of the story. I hope you have enjoyed this play, but please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.